Hi, my name is Afham Faris, the founder and CEO of Ulalive. We are building the video messaging for e-commerce. With Ulalive, you can share your product video quickly and sell it even faster. Let's begin. Once you are registered with Ulalive, you can start sharing your video by clicking the purple record instant video. From here, you can choose either to record a new video for your product or upload your existing video. This opens an entirely new dimension of video sharing: speed. With Ulalive, you can literally speed sharing your video. I am going to demo you how we become the fastest video sharing. Now, I am going to upload a product video with a size of over 100 megabytes. It's done. By using Ulalive, you will achieve 60% more faster on uploading your video. But the real power of Ulalive coming from adding product to the video. Let me show you an example. In a split second, your video will be ready to be shared. You can either share using the link, email, social networks, or embed. Just copy the link and send it to your customers like this. When your customer receives the link, they can instantly stream the product video and purchase from the video link. Don't worry, because Ulalive takes care of the payment and shipping integration, so you and your customer can start purchase with minimal registration. That was just a short demo of Ulalive. Our vision is to connect businesses with the rest of the world using video, and this is just the first step. Thank you for choosing Ulalive.